guys, it's Gina, and today I am sharing the Olay Regenerous Vitamin C Cream. This is the moisturizer that I use in the evenings after I've cleansed my face and I'm getting ready for bed. So this is a daily moisturizer. I'm going to go ahead and open it up, that focuses on hydration and brightness. Okay, so you can see how much I've been using. It combines vitamin C and glow peptides to really help improve the look and the smoothness and the firmness of your skin. So I'm going to get a little bit on my fingers. A little goes a long way. The texture is really nice. It's creamy but not heavy and absorbs well into the skin without feeling greasy. So if you decide you want to use this in the daytime, it does wear well under makeup, and you can use it daytime or nighttime. What I really like about this one is that it gives your skin a really nice, healthy, refreshed look without being overpowering. Now, there are times that if I'm just hanging out at the house, I'll just put this on in the morning and not even put makeup on. So it feels hydrating right away. It helps my skin look even and more radiant. You can use it in, again, as I said, you can use it in the morning after you put on like a serum or something like that. But just remember, a little goes a long way. So I have been using this for a long time. But if you're looking for a moisturizer that hydrates but also brightens that dull-looking skin, this is a really good, solid option. This vitamin C cream is another good find, and we'll see you for the next one.